back at 4:41 here on the first day of spring. Spring equinox officially happened at 4:01 this morning, so we're just now into the new season here, and with it, we had a cold front arrive, so you'll notice very windy as we kick off our first day of spring here Thursday. Now, also something that we don't deal with often, we do have a fire weather warning or a red flag warning, just telling you that the winds are high, the humidity is low, and that is prime conditions for fires to start and spread rapidly. And so what you're seeing here is the zone where we really don't want anyone burning. Don't do it today. Put it off till tomorrow if you can. The winds will be a lot calmer. Now, it doesn't include the metro or far down along the coast where we've had a little bit more moisture, but the general thinking is just don't be burning today. It's just too dry and windy out there across the area. Sunrise, 7:04 this morning. We're going to start out in the 50s, and we will climb into the mid-60s, so we don't warm up a lot today, but with lots of sunshine, it should feel nice in those winds. They're going to stay blowing all day too. They don't really settle down until tonight. Speaking of blowing winds, we're gusting to 44 miles an hour, so 10 and 2 this morning when you're driving. It is gusty, 23 in Slidell, 24 in Hammond, 35 in Baton Rouge, and these are northwest winds, so that's pulling in that cool air. We currently range from 61 in Slidell to 61 in the city, but up down to 53 in Macomb and 56 for our friends in Baton Rouge. When you zoom out, you've got some pretty chilly air up to the north of us. Freezing temperatures near Amarillo and Kansas City. And what's interesting is tonight, I do think we're going to see some 30s in the area. We're talking about a cold Friday morning. And yeah, there is a frost potential here for your Friday morning across the North Shore, where we're going to have widespread 30s. Now, it's possible we even see a light freeze right along the corridor of the Pearl River or any of the rivers up in Washington Parish, where it's a little bit lower. That cold air will pool and collect, and so there is a light freeze potential. Just keep that in mind for any of your plants that you don't want zapped. Also your pets. It's going to be a little chilly tonight for those if you have any that stay outside. Mid-40s across the metro, that's cool, and then look at this. We might even see some frost as far south as Upper Lafourche. Frost really depends on if we see any the winds calm down or not. Also, pollen, heads up. You want to be taking those meds if you usually do them, because we're going to see high pollen, and it's just that time of year. I can feel it right now in the air, and so with these strong winds, it's blowing at a lot of new things too, so just keep that in mind. Hello, it's spring. All right, 65 today, 69 tomorrow. We're back in the 70s for the weekend. Got a little rain towards the end of the weekend, not a big deal. Late Sunday into early Monday, some scattered storms. Now, there is a risk for storms generally to our north Sunday afternoon, but those storms are going to try to work their way in Sunday night, so there may be a strong storm or two. Both models still showing it. They've slowed down just a tad, so it may be more so Monday morning. Those storms are arriving. So here's your 7-day forecast. 65 and sunny today, just windy. Tomorrow morning's going to be a bit cold and frosty on the North Shore. 69 and sunny Friday afternoon. Saturday looks gorgeous for parades. Sunday parades, I don't think we're going to have any big problems with that. Monday, especially Monday morning, we'll have that chance for some storms. And then by Tuesday and Wednesday next week, more beautiful weather. Back to you, Brandon.